To add a blog to your Wix website, start by logging into your Wix account and accessing your website editor. From the editor, click on the Add button on the top bar. Then select Blog from the drop-down menu. This will open the Wix blog app, where you can choose from various blog templates and customize the design to fit your website. Once you have selected a template, click on the Add to Site button to install the blog on your website. The blog will be added as a new page, which you can then customize by adding posts, categories, and tags. To create a new post, click on the Add Post button and enter your title, content, and images. You can also customize the blog settings by clicking on the settings icon, where you can change the layout, add comments, and set up social sharing options. To manage your blog posts, click on the Blog Manager button, where you can edit, delete, or schedule posts for publication. To make your blog visible on your website, click on the Site menu and add the blog page to your navigation menu. You can also add a blog link to your website's footer or header for easy access. Finally, click on the Publish button to make your blog live and available to your website visitors. By following these steps, you can easily add a blog to your Wix website and start creating and publishing content to engage with your audience. Remember to regularly update your blog with fresh and relevant content to keep your visitors coming back for more. With Wix's user-friendly blog features, you can create a professional-looking blog that enhances your website and helps you achieve your online goals.